Almost 3 months after they were made redundant, former employees of the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica (PCJ) say they're yet to receive their compensation package. Now, officials from the Ministry of Science and Technology, however, insist the payments will be made. So what accounts for the delay? They did not want to be identified, but they represent scores of workers from the controversy-plagued Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica (PCJ).
Don't treat us like criminals. We did nothing wrong. You made a decision to close the place in the height of COVID, so don't treat us like criminals. Just pay us our money, that's all we want. There's nothing, nobody's saying anything to us. The case not saying anything. The minister not saying anything.
In September last year, Energy Minister Favour Williams announced that the PCJ would be subsumed into the Energy Ministry. Fast forward to March 31 this year, 113 employees were made redundant.
It was anticipated that we would have gotten our redundancy package on March 31. However, we were advised about a week before that they were not ready to make the payment. They could not tell us whether it would be paid in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month.
The former employees complain about running low on cash. In some instances, we're told the cash has run out.
Because of the COVID pandemic, nobody is hiring. I have not been able to get a job, and whatever savings I've had are now finished. People are out there, and a lot of my daughter is big, but there are other persons who have children, small children going to school. People have bills to pay. Come on, man, it's unacceptable.
When we contacted the Ministry of Science and Technology, we were told that the compensation packages are being paid in batches. It's understood that so far over 47 million has been paid out. 33 former staff benefited from the first payment. Another set of workers are expected to be paid at the end of the week, and another by the end of next week, with final verification to be completed by the end of June. As to what has led to the delay, we've been told that the audit, which would determine the separation figures, was done once the staff were made redundant. During the audit, it is said that several anomalies were pointed out. Those had to be referred to the Ministry of Finance for review and approval. In her report in 2018, the Auditor General pointed to poor oversight and monitoring in the affairs of the Petroleum Corporation of Jamaica (PCJ).